Well, every day, of course, staying hydrated is a priority for me since I easily get a headache if I don't, not to mention my weight loss goals. Drinking enough water is of paramount importance for health. All different kinds, I'm not too picky. I either drink tap water that I put in a pressure filter or bottled water from time to time. I usually put water in my refillable water bottle and carry it down me with all day. Bottled water. Since the water in my country is potable, I usually opt for that with a filter to improve the flavor. If this isn't available to me, I buy a bottle of water, although I prefer not to because of my environmental concerns. Oh my god, I love to. It's just so much fun. I often say that one of the best feelings in my life is to just jump in a cold pool on a super hot day. It's one of my favorite ways to unwind on a summer afternoon.